Hello, my old school soul food family. Chef Jeffrey back with another video. All right, y'all. It's Sunday dinner recipe idea favorites here. After Sunday, we're going old school here, y'all. Old school in the pot. We're doing some cream of peas. You saw my video. I think it'd be out by the time I do this video. I went to the farmer market. I got me some fresh shelled. These things are freshly shelled, y'all. Creamer peas. Lady creamers, however you want to pronounce them or say them. I call them cream peas growing up. We used to call them cream peas. We cook them same way I'm about to do now. Eat them with some cornbread and some chow. That was the way. That was eating there, y'all. And actually, I didn't need nothing else. And nobody really needed nothing else. Because I'm going to put some pork belly in there. Which pork belly, all pork belly is raw bacon, y'all. Not smoked or nothing. See that? And I cubed it up. I got a couple other slices here that I'm going to put in my food saver and put in the freezer. But I bought a 10-pound thing of pork belly. See, all it is bacon, y'all, that is uncured. Uncured bacon. So I cut it up in big chunks like this. It's got that nice fat to meat ratio. Look at that there. And the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to get this pork belly cooking off in the pot. And once I get that cooking off, we're going to add the peas to this. So I'm gonna get the pork belly, onion, celery, vinegar, garlic, ham base, all that. I'm gonna have a nice rich stock pot liquor already going, and then we're gonna add the peas. So we're gonna move over here, and that's what we're gonna do, y'all. This is very simple. Just like Mama used to make hers, simmer that meat. You can use whatever meat you want to use, y'all. But like I said, I'm using some pork belly. You can use salt joes. You can use neck bones, turkey necks, smoked turkey wings, whatever side meat you want to use. That's where you grew up. Whatever side meat you had, you would use. Okay, I got my meat in there. I'm going to put my onions in there so they can cook down really, really good. Put my celery in there so they cook down really good. Got a little garlic to put in there. Got a little white vinegar. White vinegar gonna help tenderize that meat, of course. My mama put vinegar in everything she cooked with side meat in it. And I got a little ham base here. A little ham base in there. If you don't have ham base, you can use chicken base. There's ham base right there. You can use chicken base. But what I'm gonna do, y'all, I'm gonna simmer this down for about an hour here. Let it slow simmer. Make a nice, rich hot liquor, and then we're going to add the peas, because the peas, when they're fresh, they don't take no more than, 45 minutes to cook. A little bit more water in here. There we go. They don't take no more than 45 minutes to cook. And once that's simmered down and cooking, we're going to add the peas, and it's on. Got me some cornbread ready there. Put it on the side, and that's going to be a good old Sunday dinner. Old school fresh creamers with pork belly, y'all. We'll be right back. All right, y'all, we are back here. Check this out, y'all. Look at that good pot liquor. And then, look at that pork belly. The pork belly is almost ready. Now, we're going to add the peas to this, y'all. That's what I wanted. See that nice pot liquor? Nice and strong, flavorful pot liquor. Now, we're going to add our creamers to this. Add our cream peas to this. Look at that, y'all. That's going to be some good. You got that strong pot liquor in there. Then them peas going to start cooking in there, absorbing all that good pot liquor. I'm telling you, this is country eating right here, y'all. This is some country eating right here. So anyway, we're going to sit back here and let these do this thing about 45 minutes. I'm going to let them simmer for about 45 minutes. And we'll come back and we'll check them. Give me some cornbread. I always have cornbread in the freezer, y'all. But a big old pot of cream of peas with some pork belly or some salt joel or smoked turkey wings or turkey necks or turkey legs, however you want to eat it. It's on. So anyway, we're going to let this simmer here, and we'll be right back when it's ready. Old school creamer peas, y'all, with pork belly. We'll be right back. All right, y'all, we are back here. All right, y'all, I can cut these peas off. Cut them off about 10, 15 minutes ago. Look at this, y'all. Look at these peas. Look at these peas, y'all. Look at that. The meat there is nice and tender. Look at that, y'all. That's some good eating right there. Look at that. Look at those. Nice and tender, flavorful. Got that little pot liquor still left in it. It's not a soup. You got peas. Look at that, y'all. So what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna step off here, get me a bowl here. I got me some cornbread right here. Look at that. Got me some cornbread for it there. Made me a fresh point of cornbread. Got a little chow chow right here. Look at that. Old school chow chow. Gotta have chow chow on the beans and peas. So anyway, y'all, we'll be right back. Do that world famous YouTube thumbnail, and we're gonna try this out. We'll be right back. All right, y'all, we are back here for the final verdict here, y'all. Let me grab my spoon here. Look at this, y'all, that nice. Woo. I can't wait to dig in, y'all. Give me a little chow chow on there. A little meat there. The meat is falling off the bone tender, not even a bone. Falling off the bone tender. There ain't a bone on it. Look at this, y'all. Get me a good, look at that. Look at this going in. That pot liquor soaking up that cornbread. Y'all. It's Sunday afternoon right here. I don't eat nothing else. Look at that. In a bowl of peas and cornbread. It's country eating right here. A pork belly. Like I say, y'all, you can do any kind of meat that you want in your peas. Any kind of meat you want. I gotta have me cornbread with mine. Look at that, y'all. One more bite. I forgot my hot sauce with that. Let me get one for Kenneth. Kenneth, this is our piece right here. That little piece there. Let me find it here. Find a piece for Kenneth. Kenneth watching. That's the piece right there for you, Kenneth. That little fat cap going in. Good eating now. Good eating. But anyway, y'all, another Sunday. Like I said, you can eat other things with them. Get you some fried chicken with that. It's on and popping. This is some fried chicken. But anyway, let me close this video out. If you like the video, please share, please comment, please subscribe, please follow me on the social media account, Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, Twitch TV, Pinterest, and oldschoolsoulfood.com. Remember the hashtag 2023, just show some kindness. Old School Soul Food. Till next time, have a blessed Old School Soul Food day, and I will definitely see y'all in the next video. Y'all have a happy, blessed Sunday. Love y'all.